Mixing coffee with garlic, lime, and honey, and you will thank me for this simple recipe. Garlic and honey are both known for their anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Meanwhile, lime contains high levels of vitamin C. Combining them with coffee can enhance the body's immune system, helping to fight against infections and protect the nervous system from damage. Additionally, it can reduce cholesterol levels and the risk of heart disease. Furthermore, garlic can improve digestive function and reduce discomfort in the stomach. Coffee can stimulate digestion and prevent constipation, while honey can soothe and reduce inflammation in the gut. Mixed with fiber and digestive enzymes and lime, this combination can improve digestive function, reduce bloating, and aid in digestion. Coffee can also enhance brain function and concentration, while garlic can reduce stress. Honey is known to have a calming effect on the mind. Lime has a mild, pleasant fragrance. Therefore, combining coffee, garlic, and honey can improve mood, reduce stress, and enhance concentration. Not only that, but this recipe provides a perfect beverage for healthy skin from the inside out, with its antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties protecting the skin from harmful agents, increasing elasticity, and whitening the skin. The recipe for garlic, coffee, honey, and lime is straightforward. Grind 2 cloves of garlic and mix with 1 teaspoon of organic coffee, add 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice, and let it soak for 30 minutes. After straining out the solids, mix in 2 tablespoons of honey, stir well, and you will have a drink that helps keep your body healthy, full of energy all day long.
We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.